Hi there. Welcome to 825 Royal Tulip Street, located in Prescott, Arizona, in the beautiful community of Prescott Lakes. Come on in and take a look. Here we are in the kitchen of this beautiful Dorn home. Notice the nice large island with granite countertops all the way around, nice light bright cabinets, lots of cabinet space, lots of counter space, and look at this nice big dining room, very large, with nice big windows looking out on that killer backyard. Let's take a look at the primary bathroom. It's just so pretty. Again, big, light, and bright. It has dual sinks, granite countertops, white cabinets, closeted commode, large walk-in closet, and a great big walk-in shower. Behind me is an open area, so you don't have any direct neighbors right behind you. There's a covered patio over there with both sliders that open to bring the outside in. This backyard has been expertly landscaped. Everything's on a drip system. You know, one of the main reasons people love living in Prescott Lakes is when you drive in, there's stunning landscaping all over, beautifully done, but the main thing are the amenities, world-class amenities, including pickleball, tennis, golf, large heated pools, spas, a workout facility, a clubhouse, and they're just top of the line. Beautiful. Come check out the amenities here in Prescott Lakes. It's really, really something to behold.